How to hide explicit content on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide explicit content on Deezer app in easy and fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you go to the top corner here, click on this, and then go down to explicit content and click on it, and here you go, you have this option that says hide explicit content, and you can turn it on or turn it off, and the update might take a few hours. So that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe,